is everybody? This is a new video today. We're going to Georgetown Lake to do some side-by-side racing. I forget I have this, bro. I need to really take this out more. Oh, bro, this shit's about to be so sick. We just pulled up. What's up, bruh? On like Tuesday we're gonna come up here like 30 minutes from the house, and now we're doing it. I don't got no studded tires. I got like really good terrain tires, but we're literally on a lake right now. So this is the last day of the year. They're gonna close the lake, so all this water will be gone soon. Posted up, taking pics. My boy got the 4-seater. Wait. Brake, put on the brake. Oh my God. You didn't have it all the way in gear. Oh. That shit was on video. Damn, dude. You cooked my shit. Oh my God.
Let's get a new one.
What? Let's get one. Up and then down. Go ahead. Off the gas, not too much. No, go. Hit the corner and then gas it a little bit and then counter steer. Go ahead, Bubba. A little bit more gas. Crank it all the way. Crank it all the way. Now gas it. There you go. Now turn the other way. There you go. You're good. Now turn the other way and then gas it a little bit if you want to whip it. If not, then just do your thing. Gas it. There you go. Now turn back the other way. There you go. Oh shit. Now crank it all the way left and just gas it. Not too hard though. Crank it all the way. Gas it. Not enough. You gotta brake. Go ahead. It's okay. Go ahead. Do what you want to do. Crank it all the way left and just gas it right now. Gas it. Harder. More. Now the other way. Yeah! Hell yeah. Yeah! Other way, yeah, gas it. You're good. Don't freak out. Okay, we're done. Don't gas it too much, babe. Don't gas it too much. We're like going past people. Be careful. Good job, babe. Now we're gonna try this other track. I got another track over here. Should be smooth. Bro, this shit is so sick. You're a natural. Now go left, crank left all the way, Now gas it more, harder. You went over, it's okay. Keep going, keep trying. There you go. Now crank left and gas it hard. Crank left hard, crank left harder. Gas. We need gas. There you go. We need gas. Keep going. You're good. Keep gassing it. Now go right. Yep, there you go. Keep gassing it though. Keep gassing it. Yup. Damn it. Okay, go left. Yeah. Keep going. All the way left. Just get back in. Or you want to go right here? Just get back in. Careful, you're on like all the way ice. Go right here. Just get back in. Get back in first. Yeah. There's a giant river in the middle of the damn lake, bro. I'm kind of scared. Oh!
always, bro. Every time.
Did they? Off-road recovery.